you can't be expected to believe now the way you did back then. Material I get now, I would never have understood even 30 years ago when I was doing this material. They are very wise. They only give it to you as you can handle it. I say they give you crumbs. They say, we give you a spoonful. Digest that. Then we'll give you another spoonful. Digest that, then we'll give you some more. You get too much at one time, you can't handle it. It's too overwhelming. And they know that. They know exactly what you can handle. If I would have got the material I'm getting now back in the 70s, I would have thrown it all against the wall and say, I don't understand any of this, and I would have quit. So all these concepts had to be given gradually.